The new program could lower the cost of dozens of prescription drugs over the next few years. Today, the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services announced that 10 drugs on your screen will be part of the new Medicare drug price negotiation program. The program, which was tied to the Inflation Reduction Act, will allow Medicare to negotiate lower costs for those 10 drugs and eventually more. Senator Amy Klobuchar, who pushed for the bill, says the new program will make prescriptions affordable for millions of people across the country. That's just the beginning.
These are the first 10, but then next year there'll be 15, and then after that there'll be 15, and then there'll be 20, and it'll be cumulative. We'll keep adding more blockbuster drugs.
Those 10 drugs cost...
And negotiations will begin this year and next with a goal of lower costs by 2026.